Monet AI, fix photo and enhance. So here's the app: transform body, improve hair, upscale photo quality, remove unwanted objects, extend borders, fix photo and enhance, type it, generate it. It's a powerful yet easy to use AI app for removing objects and fixing photos. Its advanced AI allows you to apply any changes to your photo using your description with high realism, add and replace, erase, expand photo, upscale outfits, generate images. So yeah, here you can just tap get and just double click to install it. So here you just have this app, and then you can just open it up. So here you can just create the look, and then just create your dream photo, and then yeah, you can just tap to create, and then you have AI tools which you can just use, and then there's a library, then there is settings for generations. Yeah, if you want, you can just get unlimited generations to upgrade. There is no promo codes, there are no referral codes at the moment, so this is just what you have, and yeah, there you have it.